course, this is a review from the actual tikas of Anantadasri. So he's saying, here's one point. He says, how to chant Sneha Nam, because in the first line it said, Ati Snehat Ucher Api Chahari Nami Namani Grinathas. I'm sitting with Radharani and I'm doing the seva of Nam Sankirtan. And I'm chanting very affectionately with great sneha. So the acharyas explain here in the Tika, Babaji Maharaj, he gives an analogy. What is this sneha? Sneha means love, affection. Because we have Harinam and Nam Sankirtan. What does it mean, Sneha Nam? That means Nam that's full of sneha, or affection. Sweet, fluid, sweet, continuous flow of gentle affection and continuous attachment, sneha. So he says that he gives an analogy of two birds, the Chakati bird and the Chakravaka. All these birds, they all begin with C actually. They're all very extraordinary birds. Chakora, Chataki, Chakora, and Chakravaka. And different Puranic stories explain why this is like this.